Hello Vivikians, how are you all? A very refreshing welcome to you all in today's maths class. In the last video, we learned 5 different addition strategies. I hope you understand all and done question number 1 of Let's Try 3. Today we will do word problems related to addition. Generally, word problems or we can say story sums are related to our daily life. So, the objective of today's class is to solve word problems related to addition based on 3-digit numbers. So, open your maths course book to page number 53 and write down today's date. So, let's start now. Students, story sum or we can say word problems related to addition will use some of the terms. कुछ terms use होती हैं like we can say and, more than, sum of, combine, increased by, altogether, in all, total, put together, etc. राइट तो अगर हमारी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में इनमें से कोई भी वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है इट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड द नंबर्स राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर let us see some points which will help you to solve word problems quickly. We are having 3 points. 3 points हैं हमारे पास जिसकी हेल्प से हम word problems जल्दी से solve कर सकते हैं. Right? The first point is what is the problem about? कि जो word problem हमें दे रखी है वो किस चीज़ के बारे में? Right? The second point is what is the problem asking? कि problem में पूछा क्या जा रहा है राइट एंड द थर्ड वन इज व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू सॉल्व इट तो हम उसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे इट मीन्स विच ऑपरेशन वी हैव टू यूज ईदर प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड सो लेट अस टेक सम एग्जाम्पल्स टू एक्सप्लेन दिस सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Mrs. Rao sharpened some 105 pencils and put them in a box. There were already some sharp pencils, 262, in the box. How many sharp pencils are there now? So, this is our word problem. Let's first discuss the 3 points to solve this sum. Right? Our first point is what is the problem about? So, the problem is about pencils, right? The second point is what is the problem asking? Problem में क्या पूछा जा रहा है? The problem is asking about how many sharp pencils are there now, right? The third point is which is the best way to solve it, right? So it is an addition sum because there were already some sharp pencils in the box क्योंकि बॉक्स के अंदर पहले से ही 262 sharp pencils थी right so this is an addition sum so let's start the solution now okay we will do the sum with statements as pencils are countable things so we can write down number of pencils in a box. How many pencils are there in a box? 262. Right? Then second statement, number of pencils put in the box. Right? Pencils box में कितनी रखी थी? 105. Right? The third statement is total number of pencils in the box. Right? So that we can calculate by adding these two numbers. So have you remembered from which place we have to start? Yes, we have to start from the ones place. Now just do the total of 2 and 5. Yes, 5 plus 2 is 7. So write down 7 here. Now come to the tens column. Now here it is 6 plus 0. What is the addition fact of 0? That if we add any number to the 0, we get the same number. So we can write down 6 here. Now come to the hundreds place. So here it is 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Again, if we add 1 to the any number, we get the successor of the number, right? So we can write down 3 here. So what is the answer of this question? The answer is 367 pencils. I think this question is clear to you. Okay, the second question is now, there are 500 students in the assembly hall and 375 more students come into the hall. How many are there now? तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? That 500 students assembly hall में हैं and 375 students और आ गए हैं. More they are saying. ठीक है, और आ गए. How many are there now? Right? अब कितने हैं यहाँ पर? So again we will check the 3 points here. तो 3 points में से first point क्या है हमारा? The first point is what is the problem about? Problem किस चीज के बारे में? About it is students. Right? Then what is the problem asking? Problem में क्या पूछा गया है? That how many students are there now? कि अब कितने students हैं? Now as they have already given the word more. More means addition. So which is the best way to solve it? It means we have to do addition here. Right? Now let us see the solution with statements. Number of students in a hall. First we will write down कि hall में कितने students हैं. So number of students in a hall is equal to how many? 500. Then और कितने students ने join करा आकर उन्हें? Number of students come more. That is 375. And the third statement, जो हमारा आंसर आना है, the third statement is total students in hall now. अब hall में कितने students हो जाएंगे? So we will do the addition. Now you all know how to add the numbers. Yes. Now let us start from the ones place. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 0 plus 7 is 7. And 5 plus 3 is 8. So, how many total students are there in hall now? 875. So, our answer is 875 students. So, this is our answer. So, just 3 points को माइंड में रख के पहले क्लियर करना है कि प्रॉब्लम किस बारे में है, क्या पूछा गया है एंड हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. राइट? आई होप these both questions are clear to you now. Now we know how to solve the word problems. Now we will learn how to create a word problem. So open your practice book to the page number 27. Let's do question number 4 of my turn 3. So the question is, I can create a word problem. Right? We are having 3 columns: picture, keywords, number sentence. In the picture column, we will draw a picture explaining what is the problem about. हम 2 pictures ले सकते हैं जिसकी हेल्प से हमें पता चलेगा कि प्रॉब्लम किस बारे में पूछी जा रही है. Then we are having keyword. So keyword is the word that tell what the problem is being asked. Problem में पूछा क्या गया है. Then number sentence. In the number sentence, it is being asked how many things or creatures are there. Right? So हमने यहाँ पर number of things या creatures लिखेंगे जिनके बारे में हम word problem बनाएंगे. It means कि जो हमने पिक्चर में डिस्कस किया था, that number of things or creatures we can tell here. Right? So let's see through this an example. So in the picture column, I have taken 2 boxes, right? Filled with some marbles, right? A and B are the boxes filled with some marbles. So in the picture column, I have drawn 2 boxes, A and B, right? And both of these boxes are having some marbles each, right? So the question is about the marbles, right? Now keywords. In the keywords I have written altogether. Altogether means addition. So it means I am creating a word problem related to addition, right? Then we are having the number sentence. In the number sentence I have written number of marbles in box A, that is 212, and number of marbles in box B is equal to 742, right? So 212 and 742 I have taken. You can take any number here, right? So now with the help of these three columns, these three things, we can create a word problem. So हमारी problem थी किसके बारे में? Marbles के बारे में, right? So we can write down the number of marbles from here. So there are 212 marbles in the box A and 742 marbles in box B, right? As the keyword is altogether, so I have written the question, how many marbles are there altogether? So this is our word problem that we have created with the help of picture, keywords and number sentence. So in this way you can create your own word problem. So in place of marbles you can take anything, right? You can take number of boys, आप girls draw कर सकते हो, stamps बना सकते हो, trees बना सकते हो, flowers बना सकते हो, as according to your wish, right? So I think this part is clear to you now. So students, this is all for today. I hope now you have understood how to solve word problems and how to create it. Students, we shall not be doing question number 3 of My Turn 3, as it is not safe to go for shopping outside. We will do it later after everything goes fine. So just put cross on this sum. Now the homework. You have to do question number 2 of Let's Try 3 and question number 1, 2 and 4 of My Turn 3. So this is all for today. Do more and more practice of word problems. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye and take care.